Hi, we're here in New Orleans at the Ernest M. Morial Convention Center for the 2015 edition of the SCTE Cable-Tec Expo show. At this year's SCTE show, four main topics seem to be top of mind for cable operators and vendors alike. First top of mind is distributed access architectures. DAA is where cable operators are exploring how to cut costs and increase their bandwidth to have greater efficiency in their networks.
DC cap, by all accounts, is the final end game for all MSOs. That means distributing the signal out to the node itself.
Second, virtualization. This is where cable technologists are looking at how to move key functions and services from the access network or the customer premise to the cloud.
There is significant opportunity for the cable industry in and around virtualization, both to their own customers, but also partnering with some of the other operators and some of the other businesses out there.
Third, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is all about improving service to carrier grade status and figuring out how to monetize the service so that cable operators can actually make money off of their wireless networks. We heard more about this topic at Light Reading's Winning with Wi-Fi Breakfast Roundtable Wednesday morning, where we heard from a number of industry leaders about the challenges and opportunities facing the cable industry as it tries to monetize Wi-Fi and make money off of their wireless broadband networks.
Even though we use Wi-Fi every single day, most of us, there are very few people who really understand the ins and outs of Wi-Fi and why certain problems exist.
It's very important for us to get our networks at a carrier grade level.
Perhaps most urgently for both cable operators and vendors, top of mind here is the rollout of the new DOCSIS 3.1 spec, which we anticipate will start happening early next year. During the conference, we also asked some of the speakers to predict where they see the cable industry going over the next year.
We're going to solve the problem of LTE unlicensed, and we will adopt licensed assisted access for 5 gigahertz.
I think we'll see the MVNO models continue to grow because I think long-term people are not going to want to have two data services.
Carrier grade Wi-Fi first, available to enterprise customers. Let's take it beyond just consumers and start offering it as a carrier grade service.
Yeah, actually, I think this is going to be one of the most aggressive kind of rollout plan I've seen from some of the operators. So I expect to see some of the top probably 5 operators to start really a 3.1 trial or real deployment a year from now.
We look forward to discussing these topics and more at our 2 upcoming cable events. First, the Future of Cable Business Services in New York on Tuesday, December 1st. And second, Cable Next Gen Technologies and Strategies, which will be in Denver on Thursday, March 17th. And as always, you can catch our cable coverage on lightreading.com. See you next year in Philadelphia.